أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألا إن أولياء الله لا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون الذين آمنوا وكانوا يتقون. O designer, printer of the universe, design and fashion my heart. Design me in such a way that when people see me, they truly see me as a naqshbandi. Bestow your blessings upon my existing state. Shower me with your mercy, and look at this transgressor with your compassion, O Allah. For the sake of your greatness, O independent, grant this disobedient servant with your infinite kindness. I plead for the sake of your everlasting excellence, generosity, bounty, mercy, and forgiveness. In the treasures of your blessings there are no limits, and there are no bounds to your endless favors. In what manner can I ask for your divine mercy? And these are the means in which I claim. Grace is in the name of your beloved Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, the scene of the prophets, the most noble and exalted of all creation, the King of both worlds, whom is irreplaceable, unique, the possessor and distributor of divine knowledge and revelation. Have mercy upon us for the sake of Hazrat Abu Bakr as-Siddiq, master of truth, the great lover, who was captured in the beauty of the Prophet and gave everything for his beloved. For the sake of Hazrat Sulaiman Faris, the sincere one, and Hazrat Qasim, the supreme leader of Allah's friends. Shower us with your endless forgiveness for the sake of the faithful spiritual leader, Hazrat Imam Jafar Sadiq. Preserve our honor through intercession of al-Deen, Hassan and al-Bareilly. On the day of resurrection, give me the companionship of Yusuf and Nara, so I can find in their holy presence. The Sufi king, Abdul Halik, and the Sufi master, Mahmud Aziza, who reflected the beautiful character of the blessed Prophet. The honored Baba Samasi, and the excellent Hazrat the master of complete purity, and the one with the perfect and enlightened soul, the chief of assembly of the Naqshbandi order, the possessor of the divine secrets and the benefactor of the nation. Their first step is every master's last, the excellent al-Deen, the distributor, the courageous, the commendable. Oh Allah, for the sake of al-Deen, may this humble servant remain steadfast in the religion of Ahmad. Place me under the protection of Hazrat Yaqub, Ubaydullah, Shah, and Hazrat Muhammad Zahid. Oh Allah, for the sake of these holy men, cleanse the soul of this disobedient servant from the marks of sin. Forgive me, O Allah, for the sake of Haja Durrish and Haja Amkandi and Haja Bagi Bidasi. O Allah, I beseech you for the sake of the great Master, the mediator you have never refused. They are the beloved of your beloved, and deeply in the excessive passion of Ahmad, they are mortal and perpetual. The permanent pole of truth, the great leader of the nation. Forgive us for the sake of Shaykh Ahmad, the reviver of the millennium. Bestow your forgiveness upon our faults, for the sake of the revival of your religion, the everlasting everlasting strength in the city of Sirhi, and the one who is the sun amongst the mystics. The successors of the Naqshbandi order, Hazrat Hujjatullah, Hazrat Zubair, Hazrat Haja Ashraf, and Hazrat Jamalullah, the men of goodness and piety. Hazrat Isa Muhammad Faizullah Shah, Hazrat Noor Muhammad, and Hazrat Fakir Badshah. His Eminence, the Honorable Hafiz Ji Abdul Kareem, the bearer of the laws of Islam, and the man with a great character, familiar with the secrets of the truth, the oneness of Allah, La ilaha, the knower of the path of reality, and the one who provides sanctuary for the mystics, the mercy of Allah, has invited him into his domain, ascending to the highest station in heaven. Oh Allah, have mercy for the sake of the great master of the beautiful religion of Islam, the one blessed with the spiritual insight, hazrat Rasool, al-Deen, whose task is enriching with the unification of Allah's treasures, and whose pure heart reflects the beauty of Mount Zion, whose forehead is the interpretation of the Book of Allah, and reflecting the embodiment of Hazrat Imam Radi Allahu. Oh Allah, have mercy upon me for the sake of the Master who tread the path of salvation, Hazrat Sufi Muhammad Aslam, the beloved of Allah. Their chest is overflowing in the love of the Holy Prophet. Their heart is illuminated and their face is radiant. Oh, what a beautiful sight! This truth is apparent all over the world. His blessings are continuing to illuminate Asia, Europe, more. Oh Allah, spare me, have mercy upon me, for the sake of the crown bearer from Saliyah, the lover of the Holy Prophet, the one in whom the truth is manifest. Hazrat Haja Sufi al-Shah, Hazrat Haja Sufi al-Shah. Grant me the love of the Master of the Naqshbandi order, who raises on the day of resurrection with these saints. For the sake of these pious men, grant this humble servant success in both worlds and sustain everyone's dignity in religious and worldly affairs. Oh Allah, accept our heartfelt supplication with happiness when we depart from this world, engages in your remembrance. Hey!